I needed you, my Jesus, my Lord. Sisi Mayet, salamat sa iyo dyan. Gusto ko sana manood nitong news pero puntahan ko muna kayo. Puntahan ko muna kayo. Sis Mayet. Woohoo! Simply my love. Hindi kita nagbisita. Sandali lang ako. Hindi ako magtatagal. Bibisitahin kita. Salamat sis Mayet sa iyong pag-aaral. Mayet! Totoo. I'm so happy with you, Mayet. Whenever you came, you say, Ate! And you say, Ate Ats, thank you, Mayet, sa iyong pa-ats. Sige, ingat ka dyan sa CCTV mo. Simple my love. Tapos ka na, Simple my love. Galing ako sa'yo pero hindi ako nagtusok. Nanood lang ako kasi nga, kaya hindi na ako nagbakas dahil mag-live, mag-streaming ako. Nagtusok lang ako. Pumunta ako sa'yo ng mga about, siguro mga 3 minutes ako nag-stay sa'yo. Sa iyong live, Simple my loves. Eto, my darling, sisi. Awa ng Diyos si Lula in good times. In good times. In bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That is God who can stay with us forevermore. That's what friends are for. No friends who can stand forever. The only friend who can stand to us forever is our friend Lord Jesus Christ. He can stand to us forevermore. Si Lula ko'y good time. Fall in love again. No, I don't want to fall in love again. Skyline Pigeon Fly. Skyline Pigeon. Yan. This is the song. We're gonna sing this song. Na-CPR na ako one time nito. Pero sige lang. Sana hindi ako i-CPR ngayon. Sana hindi ako i-CPR this time. Ni Lolo. Elton John. Panoorin ko. Pamilya G, baka meron kang puntan ko yung highlights mo. Ay, hindi ko pa ito nadikit sa'yo. Pamilya G? Jamie Lou. Ay, nawala ako sa tono. Dali. Manood ako ng mo, videos mo. Pamilya G, watching nyo. Turn me loose from your hands. Let me fly to distant land, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the lanes of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadows cast in gloom, and my eyes are mirrors of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide, and the shadows turn from purple into gray. For just the skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again.